Meet our learning management and apprenticeship management system, Unify. More than just another system, Unify delivers a simple and best-in-class solution for your employee training. With Unify, you can manage your apprentice, mentors, individual learning plans, virtual reality, live instructor-led sessions, and employee credential certification tracking. All of this from your desktop or mobile device. You can easily customize learning paths and certification modules for your employees to get unified faster, support retention, and provide an upward mobility path that supports all employees. This user-friendly interface makes onboarding and educating your employees a simple task. Unify was built to help you deliver content, education, and experimental learning in a safe environment towards certifications and organizational standard. You can quickly certify your employees with confidence by tracking their skills, competencies, education accomplishments based on certification requirements, apprenticeship guidelines, and your customer commitment. With an interactive interface, employers and users can identify skill gaps and challenges utilizing our virtual reality, VR framework, quizzes, and content from anywhere at any time. Unify allows you to go beyond basic training and compliance to help you create a true learning culture at your company. Make employee onboarding a breeze for learners and admins with our video game simulation course and curriculum. Upskill and develop your best talent with a self-serve content library of lessons from the Unify database and top content partners. Best of all, measure the efficiency of your training programs with data visualizations and manage apprenticeships that align people to solid competency frameworks that support and measurable employee growth. Unify is an all-in-one digital passport that outlines learning in which your employees and partners will use. Deliver learning at scale to your internal teams and partners on a single platform. Make learning easy to create and deliver with a great design and simple-to-use interface for admins and learners. Measure the business impact of learning with Unify, with dedicated success coaches to easily surface key metrics like employee engagement and customer loyalty.